Hello everybody, this is Kids with marketing.com, and on today's video I would like to talk to you about how you can make money online with Shopify stores. So I received an email from somebody and asked me what is my opinion and if I can talk a little bit about Shopify stores and how you can make money. And on this video I will explain and give you my version of what I believe is the best way to go with Shopify stores. So before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you as always to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online every month. Passive income from the comfort of your house, very easy, a method that is found from me to be the best. And before also we start this video, I would like to ask you to click, there you go, click the subscribe button in order to become a member of my channel, and in order for me to see the videos that I create, and that I will be able to receive your feedback in order to see how my video goes and also to how to get improved and so on. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video on how you can make money on Shopify stores. Okay, the question came in from one of you guys and asking me what I believe about Shopify stores. Is very popular out there, and I'm pretty sure you see a lot of videos of people making a lot of money on Shopify stores. That is true, a lot of people making a lot of money on Shopify stores, but it's not that simple to get to the 5, 6, 7 figures like these people are doing. It takes a lot of time. It takes, as always, when you want to reach this kind of numbers, you need to be able to build and reach up little by little on how to get there. It's very important to have a very nice, correct Shopify store implemented and created for you guys. And from there on, what you do, you're gonna need to direct traffic to your products and start making conversions out of these products. So what I believe guys, if you are not familiar with Shopify stores and you would like to start building one, it's a very good idea. I strongly suggest you should go for it. Always try new things. But if you are new, what I think will happen is that you're gonna get lost in too much information, because building a Shopify store, it can be very easy, but at the same time it can be very, very complex. You're gonna be bombarded with too much information and you're gonna get confused, and maybe at the end of the day you're gonna get disappointed and drop your idea, which is not good. You should always try what you have in mind, because this is maybe your ticket out. Maybe this is gonna be the extra income you are looking for. So maybe the way you do it, it's gonna be much better. So yes, go ahead and try your Shopify store. But what I would like to say, I did have my own Shopify store in the past. I sold it, but I remember when I started building it, and I wanted to do it by myself, which is the best way anyway. When you start and you want to find out all the small details, it was too much information. So I was trying to find all these ebooks. I was following some gurus out there. I even take some academic classes, courses, and so on. I spent good amount of money in order to get the knowledge that I wanted, and it was a lot of confusing. A lot of information was coming from everywhere. If you stuck somewhere and you do a YouTube search on how to fix this, on what is the best apps to use on Shopify, on what I don't know what to implement and so on, you're gonna get lost. There's so much information gonna be thrown to you that is gonna be painful. You're gonna get confused, and at the end of the day, I don't want you to stop with your idea. What I would like to suggest, guys, is do what I did. I went ahead and I bought one ready Shopify store from eBay, and I used it. I made my expenses. I got the money that I spend on the gurus, on the one-to-one teaching, on the ebooks and all that, and I make some extra money on top of that. And then at the end of the day, I sold it back on eBay and I make some extra income out of it. So what I would like to suggest is do the same thing. Focus on stores that my idea is to focus on stores that they sell a variety of things, because it will give you more chances to cover more customers instead of one specific theme. If you do have one specific theme that you would like to proceed it's always a good idea, but you're gonna have a little bit hard time to get the right traffic on it. So if you have a more generic store, let's say for example that you're able to cover the major sections, and that will bring you more customers, then go for it. So with that in mind, let me go ahead and show you how you are able to locate one good store on eBay. So just open your browser, tab ebay.com, open the eBay site, yeah, and where you see here on the search window, what I would like you to do is to go ahead and look for stores that are available for selling, okay? But I would like to show you a couple of tricks of what you need to look. So Shopify website for sale, yeah. So you can go ahead and this. All right, this is what you need to be careful, right? Don't be excited when you see these prices here, $30 and $60, because this is not actual stores that they have effort and hours on, right? You can see it's basic beginner store and so on. That will not, $5, that's not gonna work. Definitely we're not gonna go for the $15,000 one. It doesn't matter how good it is. Nobody has $15,000 to spend. So you look something like this, like the 750, 100 maybe. Let's see, 1,000 is not a bad idea. 500 is a bit with non-stop. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead and open this. The reason I'm looking for these stores is that because these stores actually put the effort and hours on these stores, they have the apps. Yeah, so it's not just somebody created a Shopify store. They took the basic account and started something, and now they're trying to sell it to you by just doing this. But if somebody's putting this amount of money, $600, $700, $500 in order to sell it, that means they actually have it up and running. They try, they look the efforts, they put the apps and everything that you need to do, and that's actually pretty confusing. You have to be really careful when you do the Shopify stores. Even if you follow a guru, guys, even if you follow a guru, there's a lot of things they don't tell you, yeah? So let's say I will give you an example from somebody that I personally know from the States. The guy was really excited to open a Shopify store, yeah? And what happened is that he was directed, okay, they find the Shopify store, they put it up and running. Up to 2-3 days, they had the products from there up and running. And what happened is that they started putting a lot of effort and a good amount of money in advertising in Facebook. So the guys started getting traffic on their page of the products they were trying to do. And when the conversion started, by conversion I mean when sales started to happen, it was a lot of success. But this is where the tricks come in, where the gurus are not telling you guys. He went to his PayPal page the next day. When he woke up, there was a lot of conversions happened because it was a very successful advertising campaign for one specific product. So he tries to go to his PayPal account to see if all the payments are received, tries to open his PayPal account, bam, his PayPal account is closed, suspended, not closed. And the reason is, guys, that when you do things like that, there is a lot of things you need to keep in mind. When you have a PayPal account and overnight you receive a lot of income inside, when you have a PayPal account and the transactions you do per week or per month is a few $100, maybe a couple of thousands of dollars, depends on that. PayPal is monitoring the transactions, the amount of traffic you receive on your PayPal account. But when all of a sudden your PayPal account is created and having up and running for the last, I don't know how much time you have your account, with a couple of $100 or a couple of $1,000 per month, and all of a sudden, boom, you receive thousands overnight, and then they said there is a suspicious activity going on this account, and they suspend it. And what happened is that this guy end up, I mean, you have to go back. The guy did manage to have his account restored, and the money was able there. But what happened? This guy lost his reputation. His store was destroyed, because if you have 200-300 people overnight to give you orders because you had a very successful Facebook ad and your PayPal account was suspended, you are not able to receive this money in order to pay the products to go out. So this guy was not able to pay the products to go out, was not able to refund the users, was not able to do anything, and his efforts on Shopify stores gone. So that's why I want you to be very careful on what you're looking for. That's why I'm telling you, you should be looking for these kinds of amount of selling bits. Let's say, for example, this amount is good because you are able to see that these sites are up and running. These guys are able to put some effort. These guys are already know what they are doing there. It's very important to look for good feedback. Yeah. So let's see. These guys here, they're selling it for $600, electronics and gadgets. Let's see if they're giving a little bit more information so we can go and view his site. Yeah. So let's see, is there a name that we can actually, firelasers.net? There you go, firelasers.net. I'm just looking for the name of the website so we can open it. firelasers.net. Yeah, that was it. There you go, that's his Shopify store. It looks pretty good, but what happens is it's only 2 items. So no, stay away from my point of view. This is a specific theme, I wouldn't go for that. So what was the next one? Website for sale, automated dropping ship store or Shopify. Okay, what is this guy selling? Storagemode.com. So let's see guys, storagemode.com. Okay, this guy has a variety of things on his store. Yeah, you can see he has things for the bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, cars, various and so on. So not bad. You're able to see here and go browse around to see. For me, this is what I'm suggesting you guys, to go to more generic so you can cover a little bit of variety of customers. Yeah. So let's see, this guy has for the house, pretty much is for the house, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and so on. He has for the car a few unique items that you can use. Various, let's say for example, he has jewelry boxes, garden. Okay, you can go in here and see. It's a nice website, easy to use, friendly to use. Yeah, if you click on an item, easy to proceed. So yeah, that's one site. So this guy is selling this one for 500 bits or 900 buy it now. Just look, I would suggest to go for a buy it now, since you want to go and do it instead of waiting for the bits. So it's another week for this one. If you like this one, hit the buy it now and start doing 900 if you have the 900 to do it. This guy is on the similar budget, it's $1,000. And this guy, it's what is it, feature collections. Any more information? No. What's the name of the site? Let's see. I cannot see the name of the site. Oh, okay, there it is. MC Greco Storeroom. Okay. All right. This guy is concentrated, as you can see here, home catalog, t-shirts, hoodies, and so on. So it's more on clothing and accessories. What else? All right, we have this one. This guy is selling a lot of different things. What's the name of the store? Okay, appreciation shop. Let's go ahead and open this one. Appreciation shop. Okay, all right, this is also a very nice simple site, and this guy is selling again a lot of things here. There you go. Mobile jewelry, shows, creative gifts, pet accessories, kids and toys. So this is something that I would suggest you guys to look for. You have mobile accessories, which is very popular thing. It's covering, everybody has a mobile, so you have just click on it. You have all these different accesses on different models and so on. Like you can see here, there is cute, there is female, there is military, there is minions, nice wine ones. So battery chargers, there you go. There's a lot of variety, so you cover a lot of things with the mobile accessories. Yeah, and you can always add your own. You have jewelry and watches, so you can go to a little bit more expensive items and more unique, so you can have something a little bit more expensive to receive income and so on. And what else? You have creative kits, which is always nice to have because you cover the other ideas from here. You have shoes and bags for the ladies. You have pets, which is very important because you cover in guys. Actually, this is what I'm suggesting you to look for. You have creative, you have kids and toys, you have pets, you have health and beauty. This is the categories you should look for in store because you cover everybody. So how much is this one? Let's see, $7.50, and you are able to make an offer. So what happens here is that usually with this amount of money, it's $35. You can make it approximately, you can see, for 24 months. And this guy is accepting an offer. So I'm sure if you make an offer for, I don't know, $650 or so, they will be able to accept it. So look for something like that, guys. This is available. You can buy it now. Go for it. Yeah, look for something like that and start doing your sales. Yeah, so go to eBay, look for something like that. Don't stuck on a site that they're selling only one thing, because it's gonna be a little bit harder to do. And look for something like that. Look for this one, for example, or something like that. But this one is $200 more, so you can spend the $200. Let's say, for example, the $150, $200, you can spend it on the Facebook ads. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you today. This is my opinion on what you can start doing ahead. You're gonna save your time, a lot of time and effort and frustration. For me, the word I was looking for is frustration. You can avoid this and put all your energy on this one. So you buy this today, the owner will transfer you the ownership, and you start selling tomorrow. So that's it. No worrying a lot about how to put it up together and so on. The owner will give you the apps they have been using. The apps you will be able to see on the back end of the Shopify store when it's been transferred to you, and that's it. That's it, guys. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you find this video good. If you liked it, click the thumbnail and leave a comment below so I know that you like the video. As always, do go ahead and click the link below in the description in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income. And as always, if you haven't already, please do subscribe on my channel in order for me to receive your feedback. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.